Can you imagine a future where artificial intelligence and blockchain technology aren't just buzzwords, but integral parts of our daily lives? We're living in an era where technology is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and amongst these advancements, two technologies stand out: artificial intelligence and blockchain. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is essentially the development of computer systems that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. It's already transforming industries from healthcare to finance, enhancing efficiency and decision-making capabilities. On the other hand, blockchain is a decentralized and distributed digital ledger that records transactions across multiple computers. It's redefining trust and security in the digital world, making processes transparent and immutable. These technologies are not just shaping our present but are set to play a pivotal role in our future too. From AI-powered smart homes to blockchain's role in securing our online identities, the applications are boundless. As we stand on the brink of a technological revolution, let's explore the individual benefits of these two revolutionary technologies. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing our world, from self-driving cars to voice recognition systems. It's a technology that's making us rethink the way we interact with machines. AI is about automation, it's about efficiency, it's about prediction, it's about learning from data and making smarter decisions. It's about helping us make sense of the world in ways we never could before. Now let's switch gears and talk about blockchain. It's a technology that's revolutionizing the way we handle data. Blockchain is about security. It's about transparency. It's about decentralization. It's about creating a digital ledger that's incorruptible, a digital ledger that everyone can trust. It's about creating a world where data is safe and transactions are transparent. While these technologies have impressive benefits individually, the real magic happens when they come together. Imagine a world where the predictive power of AI meets the unbreakable security of blockchain. In this world, the fusion of these two groundbreaking innovations is a reality that enhances security, transparency, and efficiency. Picture a financial system where AI's predictive analysis, coupled with blockchain's secure ledger, can prevent fraudulent transactions before they occur. Or consider a healthcare scenario where AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data, paired with blockchain's immutable record-keeping, can ensure the safe and private handling of patient records. These are just two examples of the myriad applications that this integration can offer. The potential is indeed vast, and the possibilities endless. As we continue to explore and innovate, the marriage of AI and blockchain is set to revolutionize various industries, creating systems that are not only smarter, but also safer. As we move forward, the integration of AI and blockchain technology promises a future that is not only technologically advanced, but also secure and efficient. It's clear that the future of technology lies in the integration of AI and blockchain. To recap, we've seen the individual strengths of these technologies: AI's ability to learn and adapt, and blockchain's capacity for transparency and security. When married, they produce a synergy that brings enhanced efficiency, robust security, and unparalleled transparency. This fusion is not just a possibility, but an unfolding reality, shaping our technological landscape. The future is here, and it's powered by AI and blockchain.